So I think a lot of people see this discussion about IoT attacks and misusing of IoT attacks in a large scale. So that is on the one side the different kind of cyber attacks because we have more different kind of devices. But what also makes a big difference is that it's getting much more easy for the bad guys to get a kit to build this kind of cyber attacks. So it's much more industrialized business from the bad side, where you easily can buy an attack kit or all that things. And this combination of both, so the combination of more devices and the combination of easier access to malicious software or kits to build malicious software, that makes it extremely dangerous. I think that pretty much hasn't changed in the recent year. What has to be changed is the attitude of people and the awareness of that. So all the protection technologies which were valid in the past are still valid today. Yeah, for not sharing your passwords, using different passwords, using a virus scanner, protecting your network and all that as a person, all the same thing as a company. So the priority has to change, the attitude has to change, and the people have to look on that. And that is from what the individual can do. What the industry must do is to make it much more easier to consume security technology, because it's not a solution to remember 100 or 1,000 passwords. That is nothing humans can do easily and would like to do. So the people have to pay attention, and the security industry has to make the security tools and techniques much more easier to consume. Yeah, so when we look on the history of how we in the last 100 years or even more developed safety and security in different areas, we were pretty good as a mankind to get very much safety. We still rely on airplanes, on cars and all that, and we have no basic issue with that. We go on a plane and we think it will land. But those quality what we achieved in safety, we need to achieve in security as well, because now the elements like IoT impacts the safety, not only the software world, it really impacts physical stuff. And therefore, on the long run, I think a lot of qualities and ways to do safety we have to apply to the security world as well. Only then we will get what we call in Germany Sicherheit, so bring both elements together. And for HUAWEI, that is a key element in our strategy change for the engineering to make it more resilient, more reliable, so that we have the same quality what we achieved in safety also achieve in security.